Hi guys, I have been missing so much. How are you now? Anyways, I have something to tell you. I need to quit this my channel because I can post this my YouTube channel due to have a busy at my school and some school works like hell week in my college and some chores about my house for cleaning and having had a full storage in my main phone because I can edit with it. Sorry for my bad grammar. Hope you're doing fine today, and so if you stay here, I love you. You're amazing. Have a wonderful day. Anyways, don't worry. I will come back soon as possible. Some next year or maybe or month. Maybe I had time to edit my video next time. So I hope someone to support my YouTube channel to subscribe, like, and share, and please don't forget it. And yep, see you next year posting guys. Loves you all. Bye bye. Mama chup chup. More hugs. Love you all.